Hi, Mr. President. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, are you still satisfied with Secretary John Vickremuli as the ILG chief, given the strings of fugitives of justice being able to go past law enforcement?
But yes, I don't know why that rumor went around. I think somebody wants his job. Kaya kinakalat na matatanggal na siya para siguro ang inaasahan nila sila ay mailagay. Pero wala kaming pinaplano na ganun. The only latest change in the cabinet was in Dole. Because Secretary Benny has asked to take a step back. He has some issues that he has to deal with. And so we have appointed a new cabinet secretary for Dole, which was former Senator Francis Tolentino.